Hello everyone, my name is Vivega and I am a BTech graduate in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science and a dedicated math tutor with over 3 years of experience. I am currently mentoring 5 plus students across different countries such as India, Australia and the United States. I specialize in providing personalized math support to help students build strong fundamentals, boost their confidence and make math learning easier and fun. Today, I will guide you to the topic of linear equation in one and two variables, which is a fundamental concept in algebra. Linear equation. In this lecture, we will discuss linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variable or first degree equation. If I write 4x plus y is equals to 6. In this equation, there are three terms 4x, y, and 6. The x and y are known as variable, while 6 is the constant and 4 is the coefficient of variable x. The highest power of x is 1 and the highest power of the variable y is also 1. Hence, all the variables in this equation have the highest power 1. Therefore, this equation is also known as one degree equation or linear equation. Let me give you another example. 2xy plus 5 is equals to 10. This equation also has three terms 2xy, 5 and 10. The term 2xy is considered as one term. The power of x is 1 and the power of y is also 1. Hence, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Thus, the highest power of this equation is 2. Therefore, it is not a one degree equation. Hence, it is also not a linear equation. Now, again, if I write 3x plus 4yz plus xz is equals to 80. In this equation, there are four terms. The power of first term is 1. The power of second term y is 1 and the power of z is also 1. Hence, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Thus, the power of the second term is 2. The power of the third term x is 1 and the power of z is also 1. Hence, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Thus, the power of third term is also 2. So, we can say that the highest power of the equation is 2. Hence, it is neither a one degree equation nor a linear equation. Similarly, if I write 2y plus 4 upon x is equals to 10. Can you guess the highest power of this equation? Let me calculate it for you. To calculate this equation, we multiply both the sides by x. We get x into 2i plus x4 upon x is equals to 10x. Here, x and x are cancelled out. As a result, we get 2xy plus 4 is equals to 10x. Now, there are three terms in this equation. The power of variables in this first term 2xy is evaluated as follows. The power of x is 1. The power of y is also 1. Thus, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Hence, the highest power of the term is 2. So, it's a second degree equation. Therefore, it's neither a one degree equation nor a linear equation. Now, let me give you one more example. 3a plus 4b plus 7c is equals to d, 80. Can you guess its highest power? I hope so. There are four terms in this equation. The power of a is 1, the power of b is 1, the power of c is 1, and the power of d is also 1. Hence, the highest degree of this equation is 1. Thus, it is a one degree equation as well as it is also a linear equation. Now, let me teach you how to solve a linear equation in one variable. For example, if a linear equation 2x plus 20 equals to 50 is given and we are asked to find the value of x, then it will be calculated as follows. Remember that this side of equality sign is known as left hand side, while this side of the equality sign is known as right hand side. Now shifting plus 20 from the left hand side to the right hand side. As a result, the positive sign of 20 will be changed into negative sign. Hence, 2x equals 50 minus 20. Our 2x is equals 30. Now, dividing by both the side by 2, 2x divided by 2 is equals 30. Divided by 2, as a result, we get x is equals to 15. Now, let me give you another example. 30 minus y is equals to 2y. We know that there are 3 terms in this equation, but there are 2 terms in which there is a same variable. I mean y. Hence, we will arrange this equation in a way in which y should be made as one term. Thus, we will shift minus y from the left hand side to the right hand side. As a result, we will get 30 is equals to 2y plus y. Our 30 is equals to 3y. Now, dividing by both the side by 3, 30 divided by 3 is equals to 3y divided by 3. Thus, we get y is equals to 10. Now, let me teach you one more advanced or multiple step of linear equation in one variable. 2 upon 3 into x minus 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. In this type of linear equation, first of all shift the constant to one hand side and the variables to another side. Thus, we are going to shift plus 4 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So, 2 upon 3 into x minus 1 is equals to 5 minus 4, or 2 upon 3 into x minus 1 is equals to 1. Now it's time to determine 3 as a denominator. To do so, we multiply both sides by 3. 3 into 2 divided by 3 into minus 1 is equals to 1 times 3. 3 and 3 are cancelled out. As a result, we get 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 3. Our 2x minus 2 is equals to 3. Now again we will shift minus 2 from the left to the right hand side. Thus we get 2x is equals to 3 plus 2. Our 2x is equal to 5. So dividing both the side by 2, 2x divided by 2 is equals to 5 divided by 2. 2 and 2 are again cancelled out. As a result, we would get x is equals to 5 divided by 2. Now, let me teach you the solution of linear equation in two variables. For example, x plus y is equals to 8 and x minus y is equals to 6. Let I call this equation number 1 and I call this equation number 2. Now, there are different methods of solving such type of linear equation, but I am going to solve this problem through a basic way. Now, look at the equation number 1, where the coefficient of y is plus 1, and then look at the equation of number 2, where the coefficient of y is minus 5. So, if we add equation number 1 and the equation number 2, plus y and minus y will be cancelled out and we will get only x variable. And then solving one variable equation will be a pretty easy job. Therefore, adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, x plus y is equals to 8. X plus minus y is equals to 6. Here, plus y and minus y are cancelled out. We get 2x is equals to 14. Now dividing both the side by 2. The 2x divided by 2 is equals to 14 divided by 2. As a result, we get is equals to 7. Now, what about the value of y? We can now easily calculate the y by substitution method. By putting value of x in either number 1 or number 2. Let me first put the value of x in the equation number 1 and then in equation number 2. Now equation number 2 is x plus y is equals to 8. We know that x is equals to 7. Thus putting x is equals to 7 in equation 1, 7 plus y is equals to 8. Now shifting plus 7 from the left hand side to the right hand side. Y is always equals to 8. 7 or y is equals to 1. So the value of y is 1 and the value of x is 7. If you put the value of x in the equation number 2, we will get the same value of y. Let me do it. We know that equation number 2 is x minus y is equals to 6, while the value of x is equals to 7. Hence, putting x is equals to 7 in equation number 2. 7 minus y is equals to 6. Now minus equals to 6 minus 7. And then we get negative 1. Minus and minus will be cancelled out. As a result, we get again y is equals to 1. Thus, we learn that either you put the value of x in equation 1 or in equation 2. It will always give the same value of y. That's it for the today's session. I hope you enjoy learning with me, and remember, math isn't tough when you learn it in a right way. See you soon. Thank you.